Hi beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about something I am super excited to share, the Super Girly hair dryer. If you're looking for a compact, lightweight and high performance dryer, this might just be the one for you. So let's dive right into it. First of all, look at this size. It's super lightweight and simple. Literally fits right in my hand. It's perfect for travel or just keeping things simple at home. But guys, don't let this size deceive you. This mini hair dryer packs a serious punch. It's high speed and gets the job done fast. And one thing I love about this is the sound. Very quiet. It doesn't sound much and wouldn't make you feel like you are walking up the whole house when you use it. Let's talk about the settings. The Super Girly dryer gives you multiple wide speed and temperature options. Whether you need a quick blast of heat or a gentle cool breeze, it's all customizable, right? Meaning you can choose whichever one you want. Just a quick click and you are in control. Did I mention the accessories? It comes with three magnetic attachments, the nozzle for concentrated airflows, a diffuser for those beautiful curls, and a super convenient wall mount to keep your dryer handy and organized. Now let's take a look at the usage. Here is me making use of this mini dryer. I just finished washing my hair, but just in minutes, this super girly mini dryer transformed my hair, dried the hair really very well. Do you know the best part of it? It's not just fast, but this reduces freezes and leaves my hair really smooth and also shiny. So guys, if you're looking for a lightweight, high-speed and quiet hair dryer with amazing accessories, the SUPGALY is definitely worth checking out. And I'm loving it. I love how handy and simple the dryer is, and I'm sure you too is going to like it as well. Now, do you know the sweetest part of it is that you can absolutely get this hand dryer on a discounted price by using the code you can see on the screen, and also check the link in the description of this video. You will definitely get a 40% discount on this hair dryer, and you are going to enjoy it just like the way I am enjoying mine. All right, thank you so much everyone for watching, and yeah, don't forget to like this video and also share with your friends and family. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to click on the subscribe button, and remember, turn on your post notification so you don't miss out on any of my fantastic videos I do put out there. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, stay safe until I come your way next time. Bye.